It's all turned to ashes and blown out like sawdust. Winds they have picked up, her memories are made up. Stares at his picture, this love has been long lost. Bitter remains though she's trying to move on. They live love like whiskey, older but strong.